Welcome to my dear children. Today topic is botany in plant kingdom. Plant kingdom there is a Plantae or Plantae. After completing this lesson, what are the chapter are outlined here? Classification of plants. How to classification of plant from earliest to nowadays. Then what are the life cycle pattern or alteration generation in organism plants? Then what is thallophyte? What are the general character of thallophyte and given example of the thallophytic organism, economic importance, etc. And then 2.4 Bryophytes. What is bryophyte? What are the example of organism seen in bryophytic organ? And example of their uses are economic important. Then pteridophytes. What are the pteridophytes and example of pteridophytes organism? Finally, economic important. Gymnosperm and also what is gymnosperm and what are the example of organisms seen in under the gymnosperm? Finally, what is angiosperm? What are the organism example of angiospermic in nature? Finally, what are the economic important? These are all the aspect you are learn this unit. Before starting the lesson, why is plant is necessary for our life? Because it gives to food and oxygen. So where we get from food? Plant where get from the food? The special process is called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is done in the nature and also gives to food and oxygen. So plant is important for all living organism. So now the first one, classification of plants. Classification plant widely accepted for plant. Now there are include embryophytes. What is embryophyte? There is a developed embryo. Phyta means it is a plant, which are further divided into bryophyte and pteridophyte. First we will divide as a embryophyta. Then divide to bryophyta. Another one is tracheophyta. What is meant by bryophytes? There are live and both on land and water because it is a dual adaptation scene. Then tracheophyta. See, they are having a trache vessels of conducting in the nature of water. So this is also belong to all their division tracheophyta. Later further divided into tracheophyte, pteridophyta and spermatophyta. What is pteridophyta? There is a large leaves as called well developed like a tree appearance. Spermatophyta is nothing but they are producing as a seed. Maybe gymnosperm and angiosperm further divide. See, what is a gymnosperm? It is open seeded plant. As angiosperm, it is called closed seeded plant. Finally, the angiosperm further divided into monocot and dicot. These are all the classification of plant in from the start to here. See another one example given for you. The name of the plant kingdom also called Plantae. Generally, there is subkingdom are the cryptogams and phanerogam. What do you mean cryptogam? Is nothing but it is a non-flowering plant or non-seed bearing plant. So phanerogams, flowering plant, also called otherwise seed producing plant. What are the cryptogams like thallophyte, bryophyte, pteridophytes? Algae is also called a thallophyte. Mostly live in aquatic, mainly because it's a thallus formation. Thallus is nothing but does not differentiate at stem and root and leaves. The result be whole name is called thallus. Then Pryophyte, pryo that is meant by dual adaptation, as to live to the habitation dual, mostly both adaptations such as called water and land. So this is called amphibian cryptochems. Ambi means dual adaptation. Then pteridophytes is also called a terrestrial colonization, such as a larger look like a trees. Then gymnosperm, it is a open cedar plant. There also a till naked cedar. Seed not enclosed to ovary. Then angiosperm, closed cedar plant. Angio means box, sperm means seed. Gymnos means open, sperm means seed. Okay, these are a way to classify to plant kingdom. The next concept is life cycle in plants.